Hi, YouTube modelers. So, doing an update here on the Eclipse. So, I showed you last video the real nice blue that I did. So it needs to be polished out. So I've got the Go Waxy tool here. Put the nice brush on it, the polishing brushes, a little wax on there. Lowest setting on this thing is settings go all the way up to really fast. So I did a little on the car here and tried to barely touch it. Put the wax on the car, and as we could see, it ate the paint. Not only did it eat it, but that is rough. This style needs to be re-sanded down. You hear that? Compared to there. So, going with the camera here, it just took the paint right apart. So all I did was take the little bit of polishing compound, the little brush, and I did it on the sides because it's got the screw in the middle there, because I didn't want the screw hitting it. But I did it on the sides, but it's so damn fast. It just, see, even right now, watch. I just did that. So either this thing is too powerful for what I needed to do, or I'm doing something wrong. As of right now, I have a body to resand. I'll catch you guys later.